Upon the recommendation of the Committee on Ethics and Privilege, the Senate may punish any member for disorderly behavior, and with the concurrence of 2/3 of the entire members to suspend or even expel a member, a penalty of suspension not exceeding 60 calendar days. Kumbaga nandun yung rules to maintain proper decorum and behavior in the Senate. Sabi ko lang, it might be time, no, for the ethics committee to do something. Pero sana na lang kung I just hope that Senator Trillanes would realize that hindi na maganda yung sinasabi, yung generalize niya ang lahat ng kanyang colleagues, no? Alam din niya na marami dito disente pa rin naman eh, di ba? Hindi mo, we are sabi ko nga kanina, we are more sensitive to the pulse, no, of the people, as we are all accountable. An apology would be good probably for the institution, not for me, it's for the institution.
Medyo mali siguro yung mga terms na ginagamit, kaya nagiging offensive. Kasi pag sinabi mong puppet, ang ibig sabihin nun, ang Malacanang ang nagdidikta kung ano nangyari. Wala naman pakialam ng Malacanang gusto mga resolution eh. Ano? At saka wala namang nagdidikta eh. Wala namang idinidikta eh. Kung nagkakataon na magpalagay mo ang Malacanang, ang gustong kulay eh pula. At ikaw ay gusto mo rin na pula, bagay sa'yo. Sa tingin mo, okay sa'yo yung kulay na pula. Paano naging puppet ka nun? Eh gusto mo yun. For example, if you the declaration of martial law and you agree with the declaration of martial law, puppet ka na nun. It's really a difference of opinion eh, ang nangyayari. Kaya siguro nagiging offensive to words lang na nagagamit.